Muchemanio jwa Limuru 3 ni muchemanio baingi beterete muno na kuigwa ugambi bure abokaumania na kigomano giki na ntuko iri gukinya atongeria bario a siasa baingi bakirimara baikinya kwaririria obangania bwa siasa na mwerekera jwa kirimara ende kiuria niri ina Meru iri kiri muchemanio juju baingi batongeria kuma Meru na Kinyathara kanithi ni baigikene bakiuga Meru itionekete kiri untububu na nitaka itezaniritwe ome kinya ya ubangania bwa mambura jau ni untubu kuonekana ndi kureta mwanki na murutira jwa gisiasa ndene ya kirimara kikioneka kugia mpavu. Morgan Mwiti ni akumurika nkuru kikire gichunki gya siasa ugorobwa narua.
Ruatoni ruambiritie kuonekana ruterero Mount Kenya ara siasa chiantereji chiambitie kurumira mukondo jongi asiasa bantereji muno baruterero Azimio ni bambiritie kuibanga na kuambiria kurita thirikari magi na kanywa kau kigomano giki nene ni gikintuko ya njuma echo ntere cha Limuru kaunti ya Kiambu kira kijikene ja Limuru 3 kigomano giki kiratongeretwe ni atongereja Martha Karua, Jeremiah Kioni, Ndirito Mureithi amuna bangi kathetindo baraba kuregana na utongeria bwa thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza gitumi gikigomano giki bariuga ni kwariria mathina jara ruterero Mount Kenya rugukurukira rungura thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza.
This conference is convened by all political parties domiciled in Mount Kenya but with a national outlook. Whereas this conference has been convened with a view of deliberating the political, economic and socio-cultural challenges facing the region, and whereas the people of this region have noted with concern the deliberate efforts by the Kenya Kwanza regime to economically, politically, and socio-culturally eliminate, emasculate, deprive, and impoverish them through the regime's oppressive, draconian, and autocratic policies.
Jeremiah Kioni aritariria ati thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza iritumira finance bill ya mwaka juju kuinyirira ruterero Mount Kenya na njira kubaritithia ugoti bobwingi.
Aware that the Kenya Kwanza regime has by its punitive taxing policies targeted to economically emasculate our region through its policies to tax wealth and not income, and further aware that the regime is determined to continue with its oppressive taxation as evidenced by the proposed finance bill.
Nkuruki atongeria baba bariuga ruterero Mount Kenya rwathurikie witi na mbere no gaibwa kigina bubatere kuthingatira mutaratara jo one man one shilling one vote.
At the allocation of national resources must be equitable and guided by our one man one vote one shilling policy.
That we, the people of the region, have resolved that we shall unite under one umbrella movement to safeguard our interests and to speak as one mountain with one voice.
Munini wa Rais Rigathi Gachagua na ugete ati kuma kaumo nethirite akigwatanira na mutaratara juu ja one man one vote one shilling nonto nijutikairia ntere cionthe cia Kenya kwamukira kigina na kinya witi na mbere kuringana na wingi bwacio.
In matters revenue sharing, Rigathi Gachagua, Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, is a believer and a proponent of one man, one vote, one shilling. Resources are about people. The whole issue of resources is about people. The more you are, the more taxes you pay. And it goes without saying, the more taxes you pay, when it comes to sharing, you share more.
Na nande atongeria baba ibugite bakathithia ngwatanio kana murengo jo mweru jwa gisiasa jure jujikene ja Haki Coalition jure bakuga juga tongero ni urorari rais wa Kenya Uhuru Kenyatta ibugite bakambirie kugambia nteringi che Kenya gutonya murengo ni juju rurero ruterero ekamba.
Ours is to extend a message of goodwill to all Kenyans, and we hope they too wish us well as we deliberate on matters that concern the great region of Mount Kenya.
Okaunja unjeni okau atongeria nkurani ba Mount Kenya ibaritite miario kuregana na kigomano kiu kia Limuru 3. Omwe Anne Waiguru uria ni governor wa county ya Kirinyaga uria ugite nteto iji ni cia gutakanya.
Hao wenye wanazunguka wakisema sijui Limuru 3, Limuru 2, sisi tunawaambia sasa wakati ambapo tuko kazini. Na siasa, wakati wa siasa itakuja. Wakati wa kupanga siasa itafika. Lakini sasa sisi hatuko hapo mahali ya Limuru 3, sisi tuko katika wakati wa kazi.
Nawe Kimani Ichung'wa uria ni mubunge wa Kikuyu na ni mutongeria wa baraba ingi mbunge nene na ugite muoroto wa kigomano giki ni kureta siasa cia mpathu.
Na ndio nilisema hata wale walikuwa nafanya mikutano ya ukabila jana, regional and ethnic politics is not only archaic and backward, but it has been passed by time. Regional, ethnic, balkanization politics, the politics of personality worship and personality-based politics is politics that is behind us.
Kiure kire kinene gikumira aja ni atiri kiri kithiururi giki kionde ina mumiro ari.
Watu twi Mount Kenya East tutikwenda stories ya witwa Central Kenya nuntu inyero babararite na ntu ba Mount Kenya West ibendele na agenda yao, lakini ni kwa selfish ni kwithe bati bara negative.
Joseph Ntoirwaki uria wari mubunge wa Igembe North na nandi ni mukaririgite wa Kefis na menereti kigomano kiu kia Limuru 3 akiwa kirari gikaro gia antu bakai kenda bomba gutegera mantu ja wake na tiguru ria mwingi.
Antu tiri mana kisunzi ke area emwe ya nthi bariria bamenerie thirikari ire kuo bariria kabatengi bai mwanya na babangi iyo ni unafiki bute mantu yo kweli yute mantu ye noma na antu bara utie muntu barira cia bariri bwana ni antu ba Mount Kenya bakwariria bara ni antu binamsi bara barekero pinsani bara bakwenda gurio tongoria bakuria njire kusiethia relevant lakini te ni untu bwa antu babangi untu bwa mbere bwana deputy president bwana several ministers bwana several PSs bwana several and parastatos bwana leadership in the various sections. What do you want bwana governors benu kaba marginalized nuga marginalized ite.
Ntoirwaki ariuga bara batongereti kigomano giki ibare utongeria ne thirikari ya Uhuru Kenyatta ende batatindanira kuthiria mathina jara Kenya kurenda hai.
So antu bareke kwaria stories anga economy kara ribo ari ku boretere marandu na noyo William Ruto akoria kunisa nisia marandu musemne yiro kona antu baba igwa bangi kabareti na bare imbesa twenda kumnyanura mbakruite uande background that meeting na nura na agenda yongwa interest nimbi laikwa interest Mount Kenya uti interest yontu Mount Kenya interest ni individuals barabara tongorete musemanio para usinda 2022 pakuria njire relevance
na nandikira gieteri ikona mwerekera jo kigomano giki Limuru 3. Morgan Muti gichunki gia siasa Weru TV.